From Pearls of Pediatrics. Today I am going to show you my examination kit that would help you during the exam. This examination kit obviously of black color has the holder and has two zips. One is this one, and behind this is this large holding zip. So what should be kept in this zip? In this zip I kept a box which contain a fundoscope as well as the otoscope. Here you will appreciate both things. Thank you, Dr. Saima, who has gifted me my head of department during my training session. So I place it over there. So further opening the bag, it contained the following contents. So starting with the things from left side, here is the hand sanitizer which will help you during your exam, especially during the practice period, but there is no need to keep it with you during the exam. But if you keep it, it is well and good, and try to use it. Here is the inches tape. There should be 2 inches tape in your bag. One should be in the bag and one should be at the side of the pocket of your coat. So first of all, I will discuss that whenever you go for the examination, there should be one kit, one this kind of transparent board for the measurement of the height, one paper. There is no need to keep the paper with you because it is given by the CPSP, and this is the small booklet for the measurement of anthropometric measurements. I have used these are the end pages of the ages, so I have kept it with my board. It should be transparent. Secondly, there should be thermometer, ideally 2 to 3 thermometer. There should be pencils. There is no need of this kind of hammer. Ideally this kind of hammer should be used. There should be 2 hammers. All the BP cuffs should be there in your bag of all the sizes, and ideally there should be separate manometer and the cuff for the compression of the BP. And here you can use it for in order to distract the child and for the hearing assessment. And these are the color strips for the measurement of the height. Here are the 2 rulers and one very good. This is the card for the measurement of the clubbing, and beside this is the measuring tape and the key along with this for the to see the planters. And there are 2, one is this and one is the torch. One torch should be in the pocket of your coat, another torch should be in your bag. And beside this I have this ping pong ball to assess the vision of the child, and these are the 2 cubes for the developmental assessment of the child. So here you will appreciate the small cotton buds, one with the blunted end. Here you will appreciate the blunted end to see for the sensation. So all these things should be in your bag. These are minimum, but these are helpful. And beside this, whenever you are going for the exam, there should be overall, and in one pocket you should place an inches tape, a thermometer, and a measuring tape on one side and hand sanitizer on the other side. Hopefully this video will help you and help you in arranging your bag. Keep the minimum things with you, but these are the specific things which I kept and it was easy to handle. Thank you so much.